casual this week, just a regular week here in the Virgin Islands. The weather's been pretty bad, it's been raining a lot. You know, just gonna try to stay outside, probably go snorkeling some point this week. Today I wanna do some planting, a little bit of gardening situation, so I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, just got done doing some planting. We had this pepper plant, sweet pepper plant, and she was definitely outgrowing her little pot. So I just put her in here. We will see how she does. Today is May 3rd. We will see how long it takes to get a pepper from her. We also have this. Our neighbor just moved out and she had so many plants on her porch and left them all for us. This is some type of tree. This is just dirty plant water, so please do not be disturbed by that. But we need to put this in the ground. The problem is our yard is all sand. There's like a few patches of soil. We also have this one that needs to be saved. We are headed down to Frederiksted Pier and we're gonna do some snorkeling. It's a little bit cloudy, but hopefully we'll see some good stuff. Welcome to our apartment tour. Me and my videographer are going to take you through our cute little St. Croix apartment. Starting out here on the patio, one of our favorite spots. We have these two rusty, dusty patio chairs, but we love them. We have a view of the ocean. We get amazing sunsets, and we just love this little patio. We have our shell collection out here. We have lots of plants that we've been collecting. Let's go inside. Shoes off, please. Welcome in. Our front door is very beautiful. One of my favorite things about the apartment. Also, we have vaulted ceilings, which is super nice. They're super, super tall, but it makes it feel a lot bigger in here. It's a perk of having the upstairs apartment. So this house is like a duplex, downstairs and upstairs unit. So we get the beautiful vaulted ceilings and a really nice view of the water. This is our living room. The apartment came furnished for us. So all these like big pieces came with the apartment. TV stand, our little couch, this chair. We've put some of our own touches, our little shell collection, little postcards that we've bought. We keep our beach stuff, our snorkel stuff under there, games and stuff that we've actually never even played yet. But this way is our dining room. Again, the table came with the apartment. This is an amazing view where we can watch the sunset and eat our dinner. So this is our dining room, and then here's our kitchen. Our kitchen is not the best, but she's good enough. There's some flaws, but that is no problem for us. Very basic. Follow me down the hallway. First door on your right will be the bathroom. Very basic bathroom, nothing fancy. We all have to share one bedroom. We all have to share one. We all have to share one bathroom. First door, straight back, is Chase's room. Unfortunately, my sister is not here to give you a room tour, but I will take you inside. Chase somehow got the best room in the house. of course. She's the cutest. She has added all these touches, all her jewelry here, closet. Again, the beds and the dressers and everything came with the apartment, which is super good for us because we don't have any furniture. That's Chase's room. Over here, this is our third bedroom, which our roommate Maddie just sadly left. So this is our vacant room at the moment. We should have a new roommate coming. Surprise guest, you'll find out who later. Empty room. We all have the same exact sheets because we all ordered them off of Walmart. Now into me and Nick's bedroom. This is our room. Pretty much the same exact thing. I like our closet doors. We have a door that takes us out to the patio, and I just love these wooden doors. Over here, we have Nick's workstation. This is where he works from home. We got this we got this desk off of Facebook Marketplace like as soon as we moved here. This is our bed. The rooms have AC. But we really try not to use the AC because it's very expensive here. That's about it. Come back this way. That is it. Our tiny St. Croix apartment. We are walking distance to the beach, walking distance to downtown. It can be very noisy, especially at night. We're trying to make it our little home, and so far we love it.